Back here in Montana and really across the world, people are celebrating Earth Day. It's a time to reflect on how we use and reuse the Earth's resources. And recycling is a big part of that. But as Jill Valley tells us, it takes more than good intentions to actually make a difference.
On a sunny day at the Republic Services landfill in Missoula, big trucks move around tons of trash that we toss each day. Sometimes what workers see here is frustrating when they know a lot of this could and should be recycled.
We see it every day. Where we're working the landfill, we have to turn a blind eye to it because once it comes through the gate and up there on the deck, we have to handle everything as garbage.
Republic Services is using Earth Day as a reminder about recycling and doing it the right way.
There's sort of this concept that we refer to as wishful recycling, and that's what we're so excited about recycling. We want to put things into the curbside program that don't belong.
Glenda Bradshaw tells us half of what ends up here could go into curbside recycling. And where it's easier than ever to get a bin to toss those recyclables, it still takes a conscious, responsible effort to make sure you're doing what you think you're doing.
Contamination is one of the largest issues that we face, and folks are well-intentioned, but if you put in a ketchup bottle or peanut butter, it can contaminate an entire load of recyclables and make it so that it can't end up being recycled and it ends up in the landfill.
Environmentally conscious Missoulians have always been concerned about glass recycling. Glass actually takes up a very small percentage of what ends up in the landfill, and it ends up pulverized into sand anyway. It's the other stuff we need to take a closer look at.
Some 30% of the trash that ends up here is household-generated green waste, much of which can be recycled. It's more important than ever now that China isn't buying plastics the way it used to.
China was the largest single purchaser of residential recyclables in the world. They purchase about 90 to 95% of what's produced, particularly on the West Coast. And they have essentially stopped buying a lot of commodities, particularly high-grade plastics 3 through 7. So we can do our part by reducing contamination, and that will help find markets that can reuse these materials. But the second part of it is really going upstream and reducing our consumption. Right now there's just simply too much 3 through 7 plastics in the world.
Clean, dry, and empty is the battle cry to successful recycling. In fact, the more, the better.
When we give tours to high schools and middle schools, the one thing I always tell them, by recycling, you're never going to put us out of a job.
In Missoula, Jill Valley, MTN News.
Republic Services offers curbside recycling for a small fee per month. Metal, wood, and yard waste can also be recycled.